How to create automation flow with Wati and HubSpot. To create automation flow between Wati and HubSpot, follow the structure steps. Now create a HubSpot account, which I've already did here. And if you don't have, sign up for HubSpot, log in into Wati. So just go to on a Google and search for Wati business messaging. Right now here, you have to just go and click on a book demo or free trial. And you have to also log in into this account. Now install the HubSpot app in Wati. So in Wati, go to the integration. Now here you have to go to the integration or automation tool here, and if you have the integration option, then just go to the integration, right? And this is where it has happened. Go to the more and click on integration. Now here you will able to see this option of HubSpot somewhere. Right now this is it. Now just go and click on here, click on install, and here you have to sign up. So I will just go and click on sign up now. Now here you have to purchase the subscription or the price of Wati, and once you do this, you will able to integrate user HubSpot. You have to just go and click on install. Make sure your HubSpot is also signed in into your account. Now verify the integration, which you can only do once you have upgrade your account. In HubSpot, go to the automation menu and select workflows. So here you will get this option of automation. Now this is it. Now here in the automation, you have to just go to the workflows and make sure you also have the paid plan of HubSpot, then only you will be able to use it. Click on create workflow and choose either a blank workflow or a template that suits your need. Define the criteria for when contacts will enter this workflow, when a new contact is added or an email contains specific keyword. Within the workflow, add action to send a WhatsApp messaging by Wati. This option should be available once the integration is complete. Now you can customize the message content based on contact properties or other variables. Now test your workflow, and this is how you can do so. Make sure you keep managing and optimizing your integration. Thanks for watching this video.